Did you know that the simple bay leaf has been used for centuries as a tool for manifestation and protection? In today's video, we'll uncover the secrets of bay leaves and how they can help you align with your intentions and create a protected space. One of the most popular uses of bay leaves is for manifestation. Write your wishes, goals, or affirmations on a single bay leaf. As you write, visualize your intention clearly in your mind. Burn the leaf, allowing the smoke to carry your intention into the universe. As the leaf burns, focus on releasing any limiting beliefs and welcoming new possibilities. Bay leaves are also known for their protective properties. To create a barrier against negative energy, place bay leaves in your home, your wallet, or even your car. You can also keep a bay leaf in your bag or wallet as a portable shield of protection. It's a simple but powerful way to carry positive energy wherever you go. Try holding a bay leaf as you meditate. Visualize the leaf absorbing any lingering negativity and inviting clarity and focus. Combine it with a deep breathing exercise to deepen the experience. As you breathe in, imagine peace filling your mind. As you breathe out, release any tension or negative thoughts. If you plan to burn bay leaves, always use a fire-safe bowl and never leave it unattended. You can also use bay leaves without burning them by placing them around your space. Bay leaves are a beautiful reminder that powerful tools are often found in the simplest places. As you work with bay leaves, remember that intention and mindfulness are what truly bring power to any ritual.